Hello all, welcome to Global Offensive Hacker Associate community and welcome to another hacking episode of Hacker Associate. In this video we are going to learn about session management, or we can say how we can open multiple session in the same browser. Generally sometime we require, right, like we need to test API for authentication, and that particular case example, let's say I have 20 users and how I'm going to test that particular API for 20 user. It is impossible in the particular browser to test this particular 20 user, right? So even if you use Ignito mode, you have only, I think you can test up to 2 user. So how to resolve that issue and how to test if you have multiple user. So in this particular case we are going to see how to install that add-on in the particular Firefox, how to use that, and I'm going to record a new video for that, like how to use properly, how to perform authentication testing and everything in my coming video. But in this short video we are going to learn about what is the add-on, how to install it, and how to use it. So let's go to the Firefox. Here is a Firefox here. So what you need to do here is you simply go to the Google and type session box add-on, okay, and then here we have, right. So let me just check here. We have lot of link available. You can select anything whatever is convenient to you, okay. You can simply install it. In my case, if you can check here, it is a session box, okay. So here you can clearly see, like here we have a plus button. If you want, you can simply click on the plus button from here and you can open it up, okay. So let me go to these challenges. So here is hackerassociate.com. I'm going here member panel, and once you go to the member panel, you simply go to the challenges section, and here we have some challenges available there. For example, let's say HA API Pentest Lab 2. You can simply open it up, and here we have a Hacker Associate API, right. You simply open this thing. I'll copy that particular URL, I'll paste it here and enter, and you can clearly see this is we have a URL which you want to test, right. So what we can do next here is we can simply go to here, just click on this. You can see clearly our API came here, and now I can simply click here plus button, okay. This is temporary session, by the way, and you can clearly see we have a temporary number 1. You simply dismiss it, and here we have, right, and now you can simply click here login. We'll simply create one account here. For example, let's say h1@test.com. Password we can give anything, 12345 12345, and after that simple anything you can type here, register, right. Don't save. Email we have a h1@test.com. same way we are write 12345 as a password, and we are logged in, right. This is the first user which we are going to test, okay, in the coming section, h1. Now second, if you want, you can simply go ahead and you can click here and just click here plus button, okay. So let me copy that part. I'll click here plus button. You can clearly see we have a temporary 2 came, and after that I'll dismiss it, and again I'll go here account login, and I'll write here h2. Okay, I don't have a user basically, so I'll try here not yet a customer. Enter the email ID h2@test.com, and you can see password I'm giving a same 12345, and security question this same I'm going to write. It's just for demo purpose I'm doing this thing. So register it, don't save, and now if you want to log in, you can log in. So we have h2@test.com, and then password we have 12345 and login. So you can clearly see the same browser, now I'm logged in, with the 2 different user. You can see my first user is h2, and then second user we have a h1, right. So basically h1 and h2 we have 2 user. Now next, if you want the same thing, you can simply go ahead here once again, and then simple click here plus temporary session, click here, and now you can see another application open, and you can see temporary 3, dismiss it. Now what I can do here is I can simply again go here login, and I'm going to register with the same application. Type here h3@test.com, password same 12345, security question I'm just using the same thing, okay. So for ease, register, and once you register, you simply go here login, and then enter your credential h3@test.com, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 and login. And now here you can see, right, you can see we have a user 1, basically is a user 2 h2, and then we have a h1. So I'll drag and drop. So we have a first user h1, second user we have h2, and then third user we have h3. So you can see the same browser we are logged in with the 3 different user. Okay, and now we are going to perform a API authentication testing here. We can say like broken authentication and broken access control. This I'll give you assignment to you. You can try it, you can try and you can check it. Okay, like are you able to change anything, okay, using the different users? So you can treat these, okay, as a victim, and you can also treat the second user, which is h2, as an attacker. Okay, this attacker user, and from that attacker user you try to manipulate the request, okay, here whatever we are going to intercept. So this I'll leave to you. Okay, you can try it. Any problem, let me know, or otherwise I'm going to come with a new video in my next episode. I hope this video is informative for you. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day ahead. See you soon in the next episode.